Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is going to be a 2 looks and review with the Sugarpill Anniversary Capsule Palette. I did already do a first impressions with this, and I also do plan on doing an Instagram video, so if you need some additional inspiration, then go check out that first impressions and stay tuned for my Instagram video. It should be coming up like within a couple days, so there's that. This is what the palette looks like. This was part of their 10th anniversary collection, which is super exciting. I can't believe Sugarpill's been around for so long. I'm so excited for them. It's a very cool accomplishment. This is what the palette looks like. As usual, it has the blush, it has 4 shimmers, 5 mattes. I initially, just based on pictures, wasn't like overly excited for this one. Like, I thought it was cute, but it didn't get my heart fluttering the way like the first capsule palette or the third one, even the second one. I don't know, this one just didn't excite me as much. Maybe it's just because I'm so in love with the third one. This one just like seemed a little more plain compared to it. But I gotta tell you already, like, it's not plain at all. I think this one's very fun, very versatile, very exciting. I feel like it's very springy, bright, colorful, but not like overly saturated, but it's not pastel. It's just very light and airy. I don't know how else to describe it. So far I'm having fun with this. I did wear the blush in both of the looks today, and I think it's a really cute blush, but I'll save most of my in-depth thoughts for the end of the video. I do want to quickly go over my jewelry details and stuff because I completely forgot to mention them as I was filming, so there's that. In both of the looks, look number 1 and 2, I'm wearing a Chrisma brand wig. Check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling. This is a Neff brand beanie, and I'm not sure where this choker's from. It's quite old. I can't remember if I had like fancy jewelry on in look number 1. I feel like I might have been wearing Love Kills boutique plugs, but I will correct it if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's the case. Anyways, with all that being said, let's just hop in, create both of these looks, and then at the end of the video, I will give you my in-depth thoughts on this palette, how I feel about it, all that good stuff. Hello, how's it going? Let's create look number 1. This is my Urban Decay primer potion. I'm gonna blend it out and I'm not gonna set it because I don't prefer to do that. I hope you guys are doing well. Today is Tuesday the 12th. I'm off, so I'm just getting some YouTube things done. I don't even know what look I want to create, to be honest with you. I feel like I definitely want to feature the mint and the purple. I don't know why that's just screaming to me. We'll see what happens. I'm thinking maybe let's start with the blue called After Party 2020. Just gonna go ahead and tuck this wig out of the way. I just have this on a little medium-sized pencil brush. I want to focus this in the outer half of my crease. I really don't know what I want to do with this look. I guess we're just gonna roll with it and see what happens. I'm gonna take this a little on the lower lash line too. I don't think I'm gonna cover my entire lower lash line in shadow. I think I want to keep it focused just in that outer corner. I do want to take the green as well called Cali. I think that might be cute in the front portion of my crease. I'm gonna use a Spectrum B06 brush for this. Let's just go to town on this front little portion. This is gonna be a very colorful look, I have a feeling. I mean, it's a colorful palette. That makes sense, Betty Jean. Ooh, we are getting somewhere. I wanna take the purple now called Pill Kitty. I'm gonna use that to kind of deepen up my outer corner and probably a little on my lower lash line. This is a pencil brush. It's a very old Morphe NB18. Goodness, this brush is probably like 6 years old. I'm just going to focus it literally just right here. I don't want this to go like through my crease or anything. I just want this to be my deepening shade. And again, I'm only keeping this on the outer little portion of my lower lash line as well. And kind of like that. It looks very good, right? Gonna take a little bit more of the blue on that blending brush I used to start with. And I'm just using very light little motions. I'm just doing light little swirls along the edge here so that the purple and blue can merge together nicely. I'm excited. I'm already feeling really good about this. I think it's gonna be fun. Gonna take just the teensiest bit more green now just to reblend kind of that in-between area. I'm actually like in love with this already. I am just gonna take a clean brush. This is a Kaleidos S2. And again, no product. I'm just gonna use this to fluff this outer edge a little bit more. But really, I'm pretty happy with that. I think that looks very bright and fun. Oh, maybe I could blend a little more. Maybe I'm getting a little ahead of myself. I feel like you can always blend more. When you think you're done blending, you're not. I might even add some glitter to this look, so I haven't done that in a little minute. All right, it's cut creasy time. I want to cut it with the mint shade called Outlandish and have it fade down into this Addicted to Pretty shade. With that, I'm going to use this Juno & Co. flat brush and of course my NYX Glitter Primer. I'm just going to smear this across my lid And I'm gonna kind of follow my eyeball shape, going right above my natural crease. Just doing side to side motions, and I'm gonna stop it where it's really deepening up out here. Taking some of Oaklandish first, I'm going to follow my cuts. Oh, that is a beautiful color. Oh my gosh, I love this shade. It's so freaking pretty. Whew, that's gorgeous. Gonna put a little extra here in the front portion of my lid because I like my multiple shimmers to be at a diagonal, as a lot of you know. And now I'm gonna flip that same brush over and dip into Addicted to Pretty. Because why waste multiple brushes? Oh, that's a cute little purple. That's a very, very cute purple. I am into it. And now I'm just gonna kind of go back and forth with both sides of that brush, just kind of tapping right on that merger until they flow together nice. I'm obsessed with this. This is a lot of fun. I'm gonna take that brush that I had with the blue initially, no additional product, and I'm just lightly smudging right here where the shadows meet, like the mattes to shimmers, so that they blend nicely. I'm obsessed with this. I don't even know what to tell you. For my inner corner, I think I want to use that minty shade Oaklandish again. Let's just use my pinky because I don't feel like grabbing another brush. Ooh, that's bright and I love it. Ooh, let me find a glitter now. I thought maybe this one could be fun. It's from the Colourpop Sailor Moon collection. It's probably not available anymore, very sorry. It's called Moon Prism Power. If it is still available, I'll link it down below, but it's just like purpley, bluey, iridescent stars, that kind of thing. Just gonna load it up on this old Urban Decay brush that I don't care about getting messed up. And I'm gonna be careful not to sweep. I'm just gonna lightly place the glitter in my outer corner. This is my absolute favorite glitter placement of all time. I love having a glittery outer corner. I think it is so cute and fun and fresh. Oh yes, just look at that. I am a princess fairy queen. Ooh, that's very cute. Okay, well, this look came out fun. I'm gonna recreate this on the other eye, throw on my lashes, eye pencil, lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. I'm obsessed. Welcome back to the completed look. I think it's so cute. I know earlier I said like princess fairy. I feel like I'm alien princess now. Once I added the lip and completed everything, I'm definitely like feeling the alien fantasy. Oh, I love this. I think it's very fun, just bright, colorful. I did not have this look planned, but I'm happy that it happened. The eye pencil I threw in is the Frosted Lilac one from NYX. I thought it would kind of complement a little bit of that lid action. I didn't need anything too crazy. My lashes are the Bella Lashes from this Colourpop lash book. And on my lips, I threw on the Sugarpill Nocturne liquid lipstick. This was from the Anniversary Capsule collection, so I figured I would try to get use out of it. I thought it would kind of match like my outer corner, and I think it does. I was worried it would be too weird. I don't know, I guess I'm just feeling weird today. I really like it. So yeah, this is the first look, the alien vibes. Let's move on to look number 2. I actually have a very specific idea for that, and I think it might surprise a lot of you. Hi, how's it going? Let's film look number 2. I'm getting ready for work. It's the 14th, it's Thursday, hello. I'm gonna prime with my Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm not gonna set it because I don't prefer to do that. And we're gonna play with some like peaches and oranges today. I love a good peach, but you guys know I don't play with oranges too much, but I do wanna play with those orangey toned shades in this palette because if not, you'll hunt me down. All right, let's start with this lacy shade, the Orange Matte. I'm just gonna take that on a big fluffy brush. I don't even know where this one's from because it's like so old. It's from like a BoxyCharm a million years ago. And I just want to fluff this a little through the crease, mostly focused in the front. It's gonna be mostly covered up with a big winged eyeshadow look, but I do want a little bit of this orange peeking through, just for the heck of it. I also think I wanna keep this look more on like the upper part of my eye. I don't really want any lower lash line action today. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, heavy focus in this front of the brow, kind of sort of something like that. I'm gonna use my KVD Vegan Beauty Superbrow pomade in the shade Graphite. It's a black, meant for your brows, but it's waterproof and eye safe, and I like to use a black base when I do like my big winged liner looks. I just think the shadows pop really interesting putting like shadows on top of black. You totally don't have to do this. You can do the same look, but just be precise with how you place your shadows without the black underneath. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. concealer brush. What I do is I draw a line across my eye like this, and then I look up so that I can see where it transfers on my eye in particular, so I know how high to take it. It's one of those things that's kind of a trial and error, figuring out what you want for your eye shape. But once you figure it out, you're golden. I like to draw my wing first, and of course I like it very long. Like I like it to pretty much go to my eyebrow. People are driving like maniacs outside and I keep having to stop every 2 seconds to let them rev their engines. I don't know why people do that. And now I'm going to just kind of slowly start dragging this through the front portion of my eye and just try to match it up with that transfer that I got earlier. It's always so hard for me to talk while I do this. I try my best. Sometimes I like to kind of tilt my head back a little bit so I can really get a nice smooth surface so I don't have like crinkly eyelid action. Sort of like that. We're doing pretty decent. And now I like to just kind of draw this straight, and then I know that looks awful, and then I'll kind of just slowly build up this tail and the curve until I like the shape of it. I feel like that's actually almost there. I'm gonna just kind of quickly fill this in and then I'll re-examine and things like that. Nothing crazy, just filling in the lines. I haven't added anything new going on here. And it doesn't have to be filled in perfectly because this is gonna get covered up with shadow. I just like a rough kind of shape. Actually, I think that's pretty good. I actually love that shape. So what I'm gonna do now is just repeat what I've done so far on the other eye, try to match it as much as possible. Sometimes I have to tweak things to get them as close as possible, but my goal is to just match it on the other eye. So I'm gonna go do that and then we will move on to the shadows. I feel like I actually did a very good job today of making them match pretty similar. They're never gonna be exactly the same. They are sisters, not twins, but I think I did pretty good. So let's top these with some shadows. The outer half of my wing is gonna be Shrinkle and the inner half is going to be Hi Cutie. I'm very excited about these. I love a nice peachy pink. I actually totally forgot I had this Neff beanie. I didn't give you my jewelry details for look number 1 or look number 2. I'll do that in the intro. It'll be fine. Anyways, let's just pop some shimmer on. For my tail and like outer portion, I'm gonna use this little lip brush so I can stay nice and precise. It's from Spectrum, it's an A15. And of course, I'm going to use my NYX Glitter Primer with everything because it helps my shimmers pop extra lovely like. Just a little dab will do ya. I'm only gonna focus this on the outer half because I'll put new glitter primer down when I go to do the other shade. Move this darn wig out of the way. All right, dipping into Shrinkle, that more pinky one, less peachy one. And I'm going to start popping that on my wing, just kind of following my lines as best as possible. Oh, that is so pretty on top of black. Holy cow, I feel like it glows. I love doing this technique. I just think it's so fun and it's a really good way to showcase shimmers. Like if you have a particular palette or even singles and there's just like really special shimmers you're excited about, this is a really good way to kind of play with your shimmers. So I kind of want to take this against the actual wing pretty far over. I'm only going to stop at about like a quarter of the way in, and I'm just going to kind of diagonal it down so it's not a complete straight line, so that I have a little bit of space here and I can kind of fill in that bottom. And now I'm just going to take this e.l.f. brush. It's an e.l.f. flat eyeshadow brush, and of course going to take a little bit more glitter primer. I'm just going to smack this all over the remaining little portion. If I overlap, it's not a big deal because I'll be going back with both shimmers in a minute anyways. Now dipping into Hi Cutie, more of that like peachy one. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so, so cute. Oh my gosh. I love peaches so much. I mean, I guess the fruit and the color. But I more meant the color. It's just so pretty. It's so fun. I feel like I'm always down for a peach, especially once springtime hits. I'm all about that life. Now that I just have it kind of sloppily plastered on, I took a little bit more Shrinkle, that first shade, that pinky one, and I'm just gonna kind of re-pop it down. I have it on the other side of my brush so that I can just kind of go back and forth between both sides of this brush and just kind of smush and mush until they all blend and merge together the way I want them to. Something kind of like that. I think that's really pretty. I do think I want to add a little bit more into this tail. I think a little too much black is showing. I'm okay if a little bit of the black kind of peeks through in the outline because I think it looks really fun. Oh yeah, I'm obsessed with this. I think that's so pretty. Well, I need to highlight my inner corner now. I guess let's just use the peach, that Hi Cutie one. I'm just gonna use my finger, pop it down. Just blend it out with the fluffy brush that I had earlier. I think that's so cute. I'm very happy with that. I'm gonna repeat it on the other eye, throw on my lashes, eye pencil, and lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. All right, this is the look complete. It feels very like springy, summery, very different vibe for the cold weather we're having. It was literally like 32 degrees when I woke up this morning, which I love. I love the cold. I like this look. I think it's cute. I think I like look number one better just because I'm very into like that, I don't know, those colors are more my game, but I do love this. I think it's very cute, very peachy, not so much orangey. I thought it was gonna be a little more orangey, but I'm happy it turned out more like this. I guess these shadows weren't as orangey as I thought they might be. Yeah. The eye pencil I paired with this is the Colourpop Bay Breeze one, just a nice cute peachy coral. My lashes are the Angel lashes from this Colourpop lash book. And on my lips I did play with that other Sugarpill one. This is called Clockwork, one of the other metallic lipsticks from the anniversary collection. I feel like I don't love this lipstick with this look. I feel like it's slightly off, but I also kind of like it. I'm not positive. I think it's kind of cute though. I thought it was also gonna look more orangey on my lips, but it's definitely much more like a peachy coral gold kind of color. It's kind of cute. I'm not hating it. But yeah, this is the second look. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let's zoom out and I'll give you my thoughts on the palette. All right, hello, welcome back. Did you enjoy those looks? I would love to know which look is your favorite. I really like both of them. I'm feeling very cute in both of them, and I feel like this lip is actually warming up to me like the more I see myself in it. I think it goes with this look really nicely, but I do have to give it to look number one. I just love that look. I felt just so very alien. It was very cool. I loved that look. I would love to know which look you prefer though. All right, let's talk about this palette. First of all, the packaging is the same as all of them. They just all have kind of a different coloring. This one has more of the gold, and I actually think the gold is very classy, very chic. I like the white and gold together. It's very cute. The blush in here isn't like so crazy different from the pink and black capsule palettes, but I do still think it's a cute blush. It's a nice formula. It's pigmented and it blends nicely. All five of the mattes I didn't have a single issue with. I felt like they all performed fine, and they're all completely different colors, which is really cool. Nothing too repetitive in this palette. I really enjoyed playing with all of these shades. I think they're really fun and easy to work with. They're very soft, very blendable. I feel like it's very versatile, a lot more versatile than I thought it was going to be initially. And the shimmers are all really pretty. Even the two kind of pinky ones in the palette, I feel like just based on pictures kind of look similar, but they look completely different. Like this one's a lot more of like almost a cool toned pink glowy situation, and then the inner one is a lot more peachy. It's very pretty, very cool. I love the mint and purple. Overall, I'm very happy with this palette. I like it so much more than I thought I was going to. Again, like I said in the beginning, I didn't think I was gonna hate this palette, but I don't know, I wasn't as excited about this one, but I actually love this one a lot. I think this one might be my second favorite after the black capsule palette. It's a lot of fun. I've had a really good time playing with this, and I'm really excited to do my Instagram video as well. That'll probably be up like very soon if it's not already up on my Instagram. Overall, I really don't have any complaints. I think this one's very good. They did a good job with it. I'm very excited. I'm excited to see if more capsule palettes are to come or if we're done here. I'm just interested in seeing what else happens. And I also have some good news. I did end up filming a battle of the capsule palettes kind of video where I compare all of the colors and show you what is similar, what's not. That should be coming up very, very soon on my channel, so stay tuned. All right, I would love to hear your thoughts. Did you pick this palette up? Are you planning on picking it up? Do you own any of the capsule palettes so far? Which one is your favorite? Whether you have one or not, even just based on pictures, which palette is your favorite? If you made it to the end of this video, leave me a peach emoji just because I'm very peachy right now. And if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautyBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please make sure you're staying informed with everything that's going on in the world. There will be links in my description box that will take you to information and resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.